My name is Mark Jaster. I'm the Senior Hard Parts Engineer here at KLIM. I've been with the company for 2.5 years. I have a background in aerospace and materials, and this has been a very exciting project to be working on with this team. So the challenge to this project was, how do we make a pad that is thinner, lighter, more breathable, and more flexible? Our goal is to provide the most protection as possible with the least amount of material. In order to do that, we had to have a new material developed. We're using a KLIM proprietary material. It's also non-Newtonian, so it's soft and flexible when the rider is wearing it. However, under impact, it instantly hardens and absorbs more energy so that that energy does not transfer through to the rider. Throughout this process, we have undergone hundreds and hundreds of impact tests, various materials, and we've tested these at both low temperature, high temperature. We have a very large matrix that we developed, has each condition for each of our competitor pads, our pads, and the impact test results under the different various conditions and thicknesses.
At KLIM, our philosophy is to offer products that are durable, quality construction, comfortable, and meet the rider's needs on the bike, because ultimately the rider experience is what we're trying to cater to. We want to make every ride experience a memorable, enjoyable one, where gear is the last thing on your mind. You get to experience the ride. One of those components is impact protection. And so when we started this journey, our philosophy remained the same. How can we enhance the rider experience? We went down this path, had all of these key objectives. We wanted it lighter, we wanted it more breathable, we wanted it more comfortable. Still wanted to maintain, if not exceed, our current level of impact protection. That wasn't something we were willing to compromise on. We still wanted to have the same coverage areas. 5 years later, we've come out with a suite of pads, level 1, level 2, as well as our new expanded protection pad that provides even more coverage than what CE mandates, because we wanted to provide the customer and the rider with the optimal amount of protection for their needs. So we're extremely proud of what we've come up with, the way we went about it. So as we were going through the development process and learning everything we could about pads, it's quickly apparent that not all pads are created equal. There were a number of metrics that we kept evaluating, kept trying to decide what was the best for the end user, what protected the end user while offering comfort and performance. That we really dug in on was the hot temperature rating, T+. We felt it was necessary for our pads to pass impact protection on the warmer end of the spectrum. When you think about the rider and the climates that they're experiencing, as well as the rider climate inside a jacket, we want to have a pad that errs on the side of T+ protection, which is 104 degrees. Maybe the microclimate inside your jacket isn't 104, but it's certainly not 70 in most scenarios. So we wanted to offer superior protection at the warm end of the spectrum, because that's a philosophy that we have here at KLIM.
Another one of the big wins that we have with the Rogue pad, that our jacket and our pant are much lighter. We're saving between 1/3 to 2/3 of a pound on an entire set. By reducing the weight by this much, we're reducing the stress and the fatigue on the rider, giving them a more comfortable and a safer ride, which is always our goal here at KLIM.
After 5 years of development, we're extremely pleased to launch the Rogue series in 2026. What we're coming to market with is lighter, more breathable, more comfortable, while enhancing the rider experience in all scenarios. Can't wait for you to experience it in the 2026 KLIM product line.